Okay, guys, so this is what we're dealing with today. It's it is a mess. Like just looking at it, I'm just like, what? Like where do I even like begin? Everything is all like combobulated and conjoined together, confused. Like I this is okay, so this goes actually in my jewelry box, and this is only supposed to be like earrings. And then this would be like the smaller pieces, like nose piercing, like nose jewelry. And this is supposed to be organized by tongue piercings, hoops, barbells, studs, like organized. It's clearly not. It's just all over the place. And today, this is what we're gonna tackle. So stay tuned. Here we are. I wish my nails were done. Sorry you have to look at my hideous nails. But I'm hopefully going to be getting them done next week with, next 2 weeks is my birthday. So hopefully I'll be getting them done then. But here we are. So I'm kind of nervous. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Like, what's even in here? So glad that you guys are going through this with me. I'm missing a square. R.I.P. Excusez-moi. Smoker's cough. I'm gonna go rinse this out really fast. I found some more. All right. Wish. So anyways, okay. I'm gonna put the tongue These came these came free in a pack. See, I'm the type of person where like if I see a variety pack and it has at least 3 things in that variety pack that I am okay with or I like, I will get it. Even if it comes with, shitty stuff, I'll still get it. Like I had bought a set of rings and I only liked like about 3 rings in there. The other rings I just gave it away to, kids or family members or whoever, Some people will like it. So, yeah, but I just feel like I just feel like as long as it has 3 pros, then the rest of the cons are fine. Because I could utilize those 3 things a lot. Okay. This is a regular earring.